Crypto Underground is back with another video, guys. I have closed my short position right now. Bitcoin crashed here and we retested the $103,000 level. I'm gonna tell you exactly why I closed my short right now, guys, and I'm waiting now for the next big trading setup. Make sure to be signing up to Maxi Global, Bybit and all exchanges that you find here in the video description to lock in some nice deposit bonuses with my link and be starting basically to trade these next moves of Bitcoin, because right now I think that huge volatile moves will be incoming. So we're gonna have a look into my indicators, guys. Those are the indicators that I'm using in order to trade Bitcoin and of course all the altcoins. You can use them as well. The only thing that you have to do if you want to get my indicators is to contact me over on X or Telegram. The links are here in the video description, because then I can give you of course access to those indicators that I'm using. Those are customized indicators and basically very easy and simple to use, with basically a little donation in order to get to those indicators. I'm gonna give you also of course the manual how to use the indicators. But basically here in the 4-hour time frame we have anticipated this move. I'm trading usually the 3-hour time frame, and here we got of course a very good sell signal up here together with a bearish cross on my confirmation indicator, and here of course we had enough time to enter into a short that of course then played out. So this is very useful whenever you do scalp trading. If you're buying and selling more for the long term, or then of course you have to look out of course more into the higher time frames that we also gonna have a look into it. But currently, guys, Bitcoin is currently dropping below the 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame, same like here. And of course I'm waiting for the next buy signal, because that next buy signal in my opinion has the chance to reverse everything and go towards new all-time highs. But if this one would fail, then of course we could roll over and go to much lower levels. The reason is mainly because on the daily time frame we're getting fresh sell signals right now. We are getting lower highs, so it is possible that we start here kind of a little downtrend with lower lows and lower highs. That is of course possible until we bounce somewhere. And also here on the weekly time frame, you can see that we're getting a sell signal pretty soon, and that will lead most likely into a retest here of the 20 weekly moving average, currently at around $95,000, before eventually we break out here to the upside and go to new all-time highs. And this is exactly what I want to show you guys in the weekly time frame, why we could eventually be in front of a massive bear market and crash in the Bitcoin price, or of course at the beginning of a massive bull run towards new all-time highs, and of course towards insane high levels way above 200k. No financial advice, do your own research. This is only my own opinion, no promises, nothing. But we could enter into a massive crash, guys, if somehow basically we're gonna have geopolitical problems here and other financial crises as well. And you can see that Bitcoin here on the weekly time frame in the bigger picture is forming this potential rising wedge, and those are usually bearish patterns. And if this one really is going to break out to the downside, in theory the breakout target would be the beginning of the wedge, which is all the way down here at the bear market bottom at $15,000. I'm not expecting that, but this is a very concerning pattern that we're forming here. And if everything also time-wise goes well, then of course we should expect here a breakout to the upside, and that of course will signal that Bitcoin will leave this bearish pattern here to the upside, and that we're gonna go to probably towards $200,000. It is also possible that we're gonna form something like that, then we're gonna crash down. This is also possible. Bitcoin has done such moves in the past very often, because you know my target of this bull run is at around 200k, and even if we would see here a false breakout to the upside or a blow off top and return into the pattern, we could then of course crash down and enter basically into the next bear market. Many scenarios are possible here, but of course thanks to the indicators we can of course estimate in which direction that we're moving to next. At the moment, if we're getting here a sell signal, it's of course likely that we could see a retest here before eventually we break out to the upside or of course crash down. So watch out for that, guys. I keep you informed, of course. Be subscribed here on this channel. Make sure to be trading the next moves here for Bitcoin. Currently I'm waiting here for the next scalp trading setup. Basically, if you're trading also the immediate short term, if you do daily trades, then of course you have to trade with my indicators. And in the 3-hour time frame we are about to get the next buy signal, and the last one like here of course played out very nicely. Even without leverage here, this was a 10% move. So imagine if you do a 10x leverage trade, then of course you get 100% back, because if you're trading with leverage, for example here on Maxi Global or Bybit, then of course you can do some nice trades as well, even with a small amount of money. Use my links to sign up to to all of those exchanges, guys. And of course, also if you're looking out for new cryptos, I bought into Bitcoin Hyper, 600% stake rewards. Then of course also Snorted token, this new Solana meme coin that is also upcoming. This one I bought, and Solexi, of course, that is launching in 3 days. I bought into all of them, so check them out, guys. I hope that they are going to explode at launch. Of course, no guarantees, no financial advice. You can of course lose everything like with every other crypto, but I bought into all of them, especially the new ones, Bitcoin Hyper, BTC Bull, Solexi, and so on, because I think that those new coins, they have very good chances to have a great launch. And then of course we can also there make some nice gains, because there you can really just buy, stake those coins and wait until they're launching, and then of course I will update you what to do. So make sure to be subscribed, guys. Our family is rising, almost 200 subscribers. We are going to do some future giveaways, so that's why make sure to be subscribed here. Maybe at 200 subscribers, maybe at 500 subscribers, we are going to give away $100 worth of meme coins, of course. And then make sure to be subscribed on this channel, Crypto Underground. Thank you for watching. Over for now.